Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best GoPro stabilizers are probably one of the most essential accessories for any action camera enthusiast looking to capture smooth, cinematic footage, especially when you're on the move, whether you're skiing down a mountain, surfing a massive wave, or simply exploring a bustling city. These devices are engineered to counteract the shakes and jitters that come with dynamic movement, ensuring your videos are professional looking and enjoyable to watch, transforming your raw action shots into polished narratives that truly immerse your audience in the experience. Number 5. DJI OM 4 Gimbal Stabilizer. Experience the convenience of instant attachment. Our magnetic phone clamp and ring holder let you capture moments effortlessly whenever inspiration strikes. Say goodbye to shaky footage. Its powerful 3-axis motor ensures your phone stays steady, delivering incredibly smooth videos, even with added lenses. Unlock creative possibilities with innovative features like dynamic zoom. Achieve a Hollywood feel with minimal effort, like the mesmerizing Hitchcock effect. Taking selfies or group photos is now simpler than ever with gesture control. Capturing a picture or starting a video is incredibly convenient. Following your subject is a breeze. This advanced tracking recognizes people and pets with remarkable accuracy, allowing you to focus on composition. Easily switch between portrait and landscape modes with a simple double press of the M button. This offers unparalleled convenience for your shooting needs. What we like. Feel the pull of instant convenience. This stabilizer features a magnetic phone clamp for effortless attachment, letting you capture moments as they happen. If you're always on the go and need to quickly set up for spontaneous shots, this is the one for you. What people say. The stabilization is incredibly smooth, making my action shots look professional. I love the compact design, it fits easily into my backpack without adding much bulk. The battery life is impressive, lasting for several hours of continuous filming. Number 4. HOHEM iSteady Pro 4 3-axis Gimbal Stabilizer. Introducing the HOHEM iSteady Pro 4, a 3-axis gimbal stabilizer designed to elevate your action camera footage. Experience incredibly smooth videos, even during intense activities like running, riding, or vlogging. Mount and unmount your action camera in a single step with its innovative quick-release clip design. This ensures a hassle-free experience, so you can focus on capturing the moment. Take full control with the dedicated HOHEM Gimbal app, acting as a remote for parameter adjustments and multi-operating modes like time-lapse. Bluetooth control allows for seamless camera operation. Don't let splashes stop you. With IPX4 water resistance, it protects against water splashes, allowing you to capture great moments worry-free. Plus, enjoy an impressive 14 hours of continuous shooting on a single charge. This stabilizer boasts wide compatibility with most action cameras, including GoPro, Osmo Action, and more. It also features a 1/4 screw hole for easy attachment of accessories like tripods. The advanced 5.0 iSteady technology ensures hyper-smooth footage, capturing every dynamic detail. It's your perfect companion for any adventure, from holidays to extreme sports. What we like. Conquer any adventure with this rugged stabilizer. Its IPX4 water resistance means you can shoot in light rain or splashes, and with a 14-hour battery life, your creative time-lapse won't be cut short. If you're an outdoor enthusiast or vlogger who needs a durable companion for your action camera, look no further. What people say. The stabilizer is incredibly lightweight, making it easy to carry around for extended periods without fatigue. Its intuitive controls allow for quick adjustments on the fly, ensuring smooth footage even in dynamic situations. The battery life is impressive, providing several hours of continuous use on a single charge, which is perfect for long shooting days. Number 3. DJI Pocket 2 Handheld Gimbal Stabilizer. Introducing the DJI Pocket 2, your ultimate companion for capturing life's spontaneous moments. It's incredibly compact and lightweight, fitting perfectly in your palm for effortless portability. Experience buttery smooth video thanks to its advanced 3-axis gimbal stabilization. This ensures your footage remains steady and professional, even when you're on the move or in challenging lighting conditions. Boasting a high-quality 1.7-inch sensor, it delivers breathtaking 64MP photos and crisp 4K video. The wide f1.8 lens captures stunning, cinematic-looking shots with vibrant detail. Elevate your content with enhanced audio capabilities. For microphones capture directional sound, with features like audio zoom and soundtrack to perfectly match the audio to your visuals. Always look your best with glamour effects, designed for the perfect selfie. Its wide 93-degree field of view ensures you capture more in every shot, ideal for social media. Transform your raw footage into share-worthy content with ease. The AI editor automatically combines your clips with transitions and music, saving you time and effort. What we like. Capture stunning content effortlessly with this all-in-one solution. Its incredibly compact design means you can take it anywhere, and the integrated 4K camera with AI editing makes creating share-worthy videos a breeze. If you prioritize portability and ease of use for social media content, this is your perfect match. What people say. The stabilization is incredibly smooth, making handheld shots look professional. It's surprisingly lightweight and compact, easy to carry around. The battery life is impressive, lasting for several hours of continuous use. Number 2. HOHEM iSteady Pro 4 Gimbal Stabilizer. Introducing the HOHEM iSteady Pro 4, a 3-axis gimbal stabilizer designed to elevate your action camera footage. It offers wide compatibility with popular action cameras, ensuring you can capture every moment. Experience incredibly smooth video, even during intense movements, thanks to its advanced anti-shaking algorithm. Plus, with its IPX4 splash-proof design, you can keep filming no matter the weather. Mounting your camera is now a breeze with the quick-release clip and spring buckle. Forget struggling with screws, you'll be ready to shoot in seconds. Switch between exciting shooting modes like 600 3D Inception and Sports mode with a simple tap. It also offers Bluetooth control for seamless recording with compatible action cameras. Keep the creativity flowing with an impressive 14-hour battery life. It even doubles as a power bank, allowing you to charge your camera on the go. Achieve professional quality video with its 3-axis stabilization system, ensuring smooth pan, tilt, and roll movements. The included tripod offers stable support for static shots and time-lapse. What we like. Streamline your action camera setup with this specialized gimbal. The quick-release clip ensures fast mounting, and the power bank function keeps your camera charged for those extended shoots. If you're an action camera user who values efficiency and uninterrupted recording, this stabilizer is designed for you. What people say. The gimbal is incredibly stable and smooth, even when I'm running or biking. It's very easy to set up and balance, and the controls are intuitive. The battery life is impressive, lasting for several hours on a single charge. Number 1. HOHEM iSteady MT2 Gimbal Stabilizer. Introducing the new Quick Install system. Effortlessly detach and rotate your camera for seamless switching between landscape and portrait modes. Its ARCA standard quick-release plate ensures optimal compatibility. Say goodbye to shaky footage with our enhanced iSteady 7.0 anti-shake algorithm, providing a 30% boost in stability. Weighing just 1.44 pounds, it's your perfect companion for shooting on the go. This all-in-one gimbal is designed for all your devices, from mirrorless cameras to smartphones. With a total load capacity of up to 2.64 pounds, it caters to all your needs and unlocks limitless creative possibilities. Master professional-level videos with intuitive controls like the multifunction wheel and memory buttons. The large OLED display provides a clear view of its status, ensuring a comfortable and efficient shooting experience. Enjoy an impressive battery life of up to 17 hours, with reverse charging capabilities to power your phone. It seamlessly accommodates vertical shooting, making it incredibly versatile. What we like. Experience unparalleled versatility with this all-in-one gimbal. It supports a wide range of devices, from mirrorless cameras to smartphones, and features advanced stabilization for professional-grade footage. If you're a creator who uses multiple types of cameras and demands top-tier performance and control, this gimbal will elevate your work. What people say. The AI tracker works amazingly, surprisingly, well, and the ability to start-stop tracking and also reframe the shot with hand gestures is super clever. The built-in light is also a great feature for shooting in darker scenes, but it's really only useful if you're up close to the gimbal like in a vlogging situation. No other gimbal I've seen has these two features built in. It is a great product. Works perfectly well. I would recommend watching video tutorials on how to operate the HOHEM and to learn all of the functions. Learning all this beforehand makes the setting up process a lot easier. I use a Sony a6400 and also attach lenses and ND filters, and it holds the weight perfectly. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.